Bluetooth 6.1 enhances privacy and battery efficiency. OpenAI acquires Windsurf for $3 billion to strengthen its AI coding capabilities. IBM declares an end of the AI experimentation era with the launch of no-code agent tools, and Microsoft issues a detailed guide to resolve the Windows blue screen of death errors. Welcome to Hashtag Trending. I'm your host, Jim Love. Let's get into it. The Bluetooth Special Interest Group, the international standards organization responsible for developing, advancing, and maintaining Bluetooth technology, has announced Bluetooth 6.1, introducing features aimed at improving user privacy and reducing battery consumption on devices like iPhones and Android smartphones. Bluetooth 6.1 introduces randomized resolvable private addresses, or RPA, which changes device identifiers at irregular intervals, making it more difficult for third parties to track devices over time. But there's another key development. The responsibility for managing these address changes shifts from the device's main processor to the Bluetooth controller, leading to a decreased CPU usage and enhanced battery life, especially beneficial for accessories such as earbuds and smartwatches. The update is expected to be available on upcoming devices with potential integration into new iPhone and Android models as early as later this year. How long it will take to make it into commercial use is anyone's guess, but Apple at least has been quite efficient at adopting new technology standards. Bluetooth 6.1 builds on the advancements of Bluetooth 6.0, which offered improved location accuracy and faster scanning. The focus of 6.1 on privacy and energy efficiency reflects the growing demand for secure and long-lasting wireless connectivity in modern devices. For users, this means enhanced protection against unauthorized tracking and longer battery life for both smartphones and connected accessories. Manufacturers adopting Bluetooth 6.1 can offer devices that better safeguard user privacy while delivering improved performance. OpenAI has agreed to acquire Windsurf, an AI-assisted coding platform formerly known as Codium, for approximately $3 billion US. This marks OpenAI's largest acquisition to date, aiming to enhance its coding tools and compete more effectively in the new AI development space. Windsurf offers a customizable integrated development environment, or IDE, that allows developers to create, optimize, and deploy AI models efficiently. By integrating Windsurf into its ecosystem, OpenAI seeks to provide more robust tools for AI-powered coding and engineering. The acquisition is expected to bolster OpenAI's infrastructure and accelerate progress towards artificial general intelligence. The move comes amid increasing competition in the AI development sector, with companies like Google and Anthropic advancing their own AI coding tools. It also helps to meet competition from other specialized vibe coding tools like the current favorite Cursor, which achieved a milestone of $100 million in recurring revenue less than 12 months after its launch. By acquiring Windsurf, OpenAI aims to meet this competition, consolidate its position, and offer a more comprehensive suite of tools for developers. For developers and enterprises, the acquisition could lead to more integrated and efficient AI development workflows. However, it also raises questions about the future of open and flexible development environments as proprietary platforms become more central to AI innovation. IBM has declared that the era of AI experimentation is over. The company has launched a suite of enterprise-ready AI agents designed to perform real digital tasks with no coding required. In a May 8th announcement, IBM CEO Arvind Krishna announced a new generation of AI systems that go beyond simple chatbots. These AI agents are designed to automate real-world tasks across human resources, procurement, sales, and more. IBM says the tools allow users to issue instructions in natural language, with the agents handling the rest behind the scenes, from updating employee profiles to qualifying sales leads. The company also introduced a no-code automation studio that enables businesses to build customized agents in minutes. The studio includes access to a catalog of pre-built components, making it easier for non-technical teams to integrate automation into daily workflows. IBM's move comes as rival Salesforce pushes Agentforce, its own AI agent platform, arguing that older chatbot-style tools delivered poor ROI. IBM echoes that critique and emphasizes that AI agents represent AI as it was meant to be, tools that are actively performing business functions, not just providing information. And while IBM frames its new platform as democratizing access to enterprise-grade AI, it also raises fresh questions about the future of IT departments. As AI agents allow more employees to automate tasks independently, some traditional support roles may shrink. Still, the shift could make advanced technology accessible to smaller firms with fewer technical resources. Microsoft has released a comprehensive official guide to troubleshoot and fix the notorious blue screen of death, or BSOD, on Windows 11 and Windows 10 systems. The guide provides step-by-step instructions to help users identify and resolve the underlying causes of blue screen of death errors. It covers various troubleshooting methods, including checking for hardware issues, updating drivers, and utilizing built-in Windows tools. The goal is to empower users to address these critical errors without the need for professional assistance. Blue screen of death errors can indicate serious system issues, but they've also been so common that few users have not seen one. As such, they are a universally known symbol of user frustration and a bit of a running joke about the quality at Microsoft. Earlier this year, there was a story that Windows 11 was going to end that mocking symbol by changing its color from blue to black, an announcement that was greeted with some comedic attacks. By offering a detailed troubleshooting guide, Microsoft aims to reduce downtime and improve user experience by enabling individuals to resolve these errors independently. Or maybe they could just fix them in the first place. And that's our show. You can reach us at editorial@technewsday.com or on LinkedIn, or if you're watching this on YouTube after you subscribe and like us, hint, hint, why not leave us a comment? We read and answer them all. I'm your host, Jim Love. Have a terrific Tuesday.